Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an insane new AI tool, Z.ai Chat, powered by the GLM-4.6 and GLM-4.5 models. This platform is absolutely loaded with features. You can create AI-powered slides to instantly generate professional PPTs, and it even comes with ready-made templates and HTML code output. Next up, the Magic Design option lets you create stunning social media banners and post designs in seconds. There's also a deep research mode and a code writing feature for developers. And the highlight, you can even build full stack applications using the full stack option, just like Lovable or Bolt. The best part, it's completely free and open source. I'll select the full stack option and paste my prompt here. I'm building an Excel to JSON converter website with database integration and authentication. Just hit the submit button. The GLM 4.6 model is analyzing our prompt and setting up the project. You can see it's using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Shadcn UI, and Prisma with SQLite setup as well. Now it has created a to-do list and it's executing each step one by one. The first to-do is installing the XLSX library, which is used to read Excel files. See, it started installing, and now it has moved on to the next task, updating the Prisma schema. That one's completed too. Next, it's moving to the to-do for building the main page UI design. It's super fast. Now only tasks number 5 and 6 are pending. We just need to wait a few seconds for them to finish. You can see the website preview appearing now, and look at that, all the to-dos are completed. Now it's checking for any ESLint issues, so let's wait a few seconds again. And done. The website is now fully completed. It has created a file upload interface, file conversion functionality, and several other useful features as well. You can see it's running on Next.js 15 with TypeScript. For now, it's using SQLite by default, but we can switch to Supabase later if needed. This is the folder structure it generated. Before checking out the website, let's take a look at the code. Click on the Code Preview toggle button. Here's the SQL database setup, Prisma with an example schema, and the Next.js app router code, all neatly organized. The folder structure is completely professional. And finally, there's the Shadcn components JSON file. The best part? You can download the entire project source code. That's awesome. You can even modify it as you like and deploy it anywhere. Now we can check the website. We're able to open it in a new tab easily and see everything clearly. Let's test it. I'll upload a sample Excel file here and click Submit. It instantly generates the JSON output. You can see the response. It's successfully converted my Excel data into JSON format, and everything looks perfect. Awesome. That's exactly what we needed. There's also an option to download the JSON file. Let's click and check. Nice, it's working perfectly. Now, if we go to the History tab, we can see the converted file history being stored. Currently, it's using the SQLite database for this. Before switching to Supabase, I want to improve the UI design to make it look even better. So for that, I'll open the TweakCN website. Using this, we can easily customize beautiful Shadcn themes. Click the Start button. Here you can see all the available themes. Let's switch through them one by one to check which one suits our design best. There are a lot of great options, but I'll go with the last one. I really like this one. It's called Violet Bloom. Now click the Code option. You'll see two ways to apply the theme, either install it using PNPM or simply copy and paste the CSS code. I'll just copy the CSS code here. Now I'm going to the GLM chat, pasting the CSS code there and hitting Submit. The agent will automatically update our theme. It usually takes around 30 to 40 seconds. And done. The theme has been changed. Everything looks so much better compared to the previous version. It even includes a dark mode, exactly like the one we copied. Looks clean and professional now. Now we'll integrate Supabase into our project. For that, open Supabase and create a new project for the website. Once it's created, click the Connect button, then go to the App Framework tab. Since we're using the Next.js app router, copy the environment keys provided there. Next, go back to the agent, paste those environment keys, and also share the Next.js Supabase docs URL with it. This helps the agent understand and set up Supabase correctly. Then just type Integrate Supabase and hit Submit. The agent will start working on it. It creates a new to-do list again, and the first task is installing the necessary Supabase packages. Nice. We'll wait about a minute for that to complete. Now the agent has finished the setup, but there's one more step we need to do manually. The agent mentions that we need to open the Supabase dashboard, go to the SQL editor, and paste the provided SQL queries. So I'll copy those SQL queries now and open the SQL editor in Supabase. Here, I'll paste the SQL queries and click the Run button. This will generate our table inside Supabase. And there it is. We got the success message. Now open the Tables menu. You can see our conversion history table has been created. Awesome! Supabase is now fully connected to our app. Next, I'll upload a sample Excel file here and click Submit. It's generating the JSON output perfectly. Now, if you go to the History tab, you'll notice the data is being saved, but this time it's stored in the Supabase table, not in SQLite. After refreshing, the data appears instantly. Everything's working flawlessly. You can even create multiple tables in the same way if needed. Now we're going to integrate Supabase email authentication. Enter the prompt, integrate auth, and hit submit. The agent will handle the Supabase integration automatically. We've received the new to-do list for this task. The first step is to install the authentication package, so let's wait a few seconds for that to finish. While it's installing, open Supabase, go to Authentication, Providers, and disable the email confirmation. This is just for development purposes, so we don't get any verification emails. You can re-enable it later in production. Now the agent is creating the sign-in and sign-up pages. Once that's done, our app now requires a login to access it. But before logging in, we need to run a few SQL queries in Supabase. The GLM agent has already provided the SQL query, so copy it and open the SQL editor in Supabase. Here, I'll paste the queries and hit the Run button. You'll see an error because the history table already exists, so go ahead and delete the previous table. Then run the query again. This time it works successfully. You'll notice something new. The updated history table now includes a user ID column. That means every conversion history record will be linked to the logged-in user. Now, open the website and try signing up. Enter your username, email address, and password, then click Sign Up. The user is created instantly. Next, log in with the same email and password. Click Sign In, and it works perfectly. Authentication is fully functional now. To confirm, open the Supabase dashboard, Users table, you'll see the newly created user record there. Our website is now fully integrated with Supabase authentication. Everything's connected and working smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.